Welcome everyone to Monday Night Blizzard. The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, he is Dean Asshole. Introducing second, he is John Semicina Kalina. And here we go. Wait a second. What the fuck are we supposed to do? How the fuck are we supposed to win this match? It's fucking cold. Alright, Super Cena, great for asking. Guess what? You have the fucking time to earn and find a fucking title in this fucking Blizzard shit cold. Fuck this. Fuck. Nothing. What the fuck? Fuck you, Dean Asshole. Ugh. Shit. It's funny because I already know what a fucking belt is. You don't know, motherfucker. What the fuck? Damn it. I was really hoping I could nail that one. I'm gonna tear through this motherfucking snow like I tear through her, like Nikki Bella's pussy. What the fuck? Where the fuck did you even bury it here? Oh my god, my what is? Who the fuck is that? Oh, it's got their motherfucking arm out. It's gotta be the older biker. The older biker's fucking hair. The older biker's fucking hair. Oh god damn it. He slammed his bitch ass. Knocked his dumb ass out. Oh, he's trying to find that fucking belt. No way. He fucking found it. It was on top of Dean Asshole the whole motherfucking time. That's a bullshit. That's so fucking bullshit. But no way. Who the fuck is at the top? Oh no, it's Shawn Shickles. Shawn Shickles gonna take his bitch ass, knock his bitch ass out. But Super Cena comes out from all that motherfucking snow, and he's gonna pick up the fucking title. But Dean Asshole says, fuck you off. Fuck off all you. Oh no way. Oh wait. Oh shit. Oh fucking duck. Dean Asshole could have this fucking match won. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Shawn Michaels has got it. Shawn Michaels is bringing this shit to it. He's got it around it. Oh my god, Shawn Michaels has got the belt. Fucking Dean Asshole says, no, fuck you. Dean Asshole. Dean Asshole. Get the fuck out of here. Dean Asshole wins. Dean Asshole wins. Oh fuck, it's really cold out here. Alright, we thank you for enjoying the show. Took a little bit of time, but thank you for enjoying, and please like this video and favorite.